Welcome to our ultimate guide to finding the perfect welder for beginners. If you're just starting out and feeling overwhelmed by the choices, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top 7 welders that offer fantastic value and performance for newcomers. So let's dive in and find the right tool to help you start welding with confidence. Number 1. VCTSELITY Upgraded 220W Plastic Welder. The VCTSELITY Upgraded 220W Plastic Welder stands out as an excellent choice for beginners tackling plastic welding projects. Its design is both user-friendly and efficient, making it ideal for those new to welding. The tool features a robust 220W power output, which ensures a strong and consistent weld. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This plastic welder is equipped with adjustable temperature control, allowing users to fine-tune the heat to suit different plastic materials. The upgraded heating element ensures even heat distribution, which is crucial for creating strong, reliable welds. Additionally, the VCTSELITY welder comes with a range of welding tips, making it versatile for various types of plastic welding tasks. Durability is another key feature, with a solid construction designed to withstand regular use. The plastic welder's compact size makes it easy to store and transport, which is a great advantage for DIY enthusiasts who may need to move their tools between projects. Overall, the VCTSELITY Upgraded 220W is a dependable and effective tool for beginners looking to get into plastic welding.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. ATOLS Plastic Welder. The ATOLS Plastic Welder is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, making it an excellent choice for beginners. With its powerful 200W heating element, it offers reliable performance for various plastic welding projects. The welder's lightweight and ergonomic design ensure ease of use, which is perfect for those who are just starting. One of the standout features of the ATOLS welder is its precise temperature control, allowing users to adjust the heat according to the specific type of plastic being welded. This feature is crucial for achieving strong, durable welds without damaging the material. The ATOLS welder also includes a range of welding tips and nozzles, adding to its versatility and making it suitable for different applications. The build quality of the ATOLS plastic welder is solid, with a durable construction that can handle frequent use. Its compact size means it's easy to store in a workshop or tool cabinet. Additionally, the welder heats up quickly and maintains a stable temperature, which helps to ensure consistent results. For beginners seeking a reliable and easy-to-use plastic welder, the ATOLS model is a solid choice. And number 3. Allturn Upgraded Plastic Welder. The Allturn Upgraded Plastic Welder is a top contender for beginners who are serious about their plastic welding projects. This model boasts a powerful 230W heating element, which provides excellent performance for various types of plastic welding tasks. Its design incorporates an ergonomic handle, which enhances comfort and control during use. The Allturn welder features advanced temperature control, allowing users to adjust the heat with precision. This is particularly important for working with different types of plastics, as it helps prevent overheating and ensures a strong bond. The welder also comes with multiple welding tips and accessories, which add to its versatility and usability. In terms of durability, the Allturn Upgraded Plastic Welder is built to last. Its robust construction ensures that it can handle regular use without issues. Additionally, the welder heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature, which contributes to consistent and reliable welds. For beginners who want a high-performance plastic welder that offers great value, the Allturn model is an excellent option. Number 4. TOOLIOM 135 or 110V Stick Welder. The TOOLIOM 135 or 110V Stick Welder is a fantastic entry-level option for those new to stick welding. With a 135 output and compatibility with standard 110V power, this welder is perfect for light to medium welding projects. The compact and portable design makes it easy to transport and store, which is a significant advantage for beginners who may need to move their equipment. The TOOLIOM Stick Welder features an intuitive control panel that allows users to adjust the welding current with ease. This feature is particularly useful for beginners who are still learning the nuances of stick welding. The welder also includes an automatic arc force control, which helps to maintain a stable arc and reduce the likelihood of sticking. Durability is a strong point for the TOOLIOM 135A, with a solid build that can withstand the rigors of regular use. The welder's performance is consistent, providing reliable results for various welding tasks. For newcomers to stick welding, the TOOLIOM 135A offers an affordable and effective solution that delivers great performance and ease of use. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN Stick Welder. The ARCCAPTAIN Stick Welder is designed to offer both versatility and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for beginners. With a powerful 160 output and compatibility with both 110V and 220V power sources, this welder can handle a range of welding projects. Its lightweight and portable design add to its appeal, making it easy to move around the workshop or job site. One of the key features of the ARCCAPTAIN Stick Welder is its adjustable welding current, which allows users to fine-tune the settings according to the requirements of their projects. The welder also includes a built-in arc force control, which helps maintain a stable arc and reduces the risk of electrode sticking. The build quality of the ARCCAPTAIN Stick Welder is robust, ensuring that it can withstand regular use. The welder's performance is reliable, providing consistent results for various welding tasks. For beginners looking for a versatile and dependable stick welder, the ARCCAPTAIN model offers excellent performance and ease of use. Number 6. YESWELDER Stick Welder 205 amp. The YESWELDER Stick Welder 205 amp is a high-performance option for beginners who want to dive into stick welding with a powerful and versatile tool. With a 205 output, this welder is capable of handling a wide range of welding projects, from light to heavy-duty tasks. The welder operates on a dual voltage system, 110V/220V, making it adaptable to different power sources. This stick welder features an adjustable welding current, allowing users to customize the settings for various applications. The YESWELDER model also includes an advanced arc force control, which helps to stabilize the arc and prevent electrode sticking. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who are still mastering their welding techniques. Durability and build quality are strong points for the YESWELDER stick welder. It is constructed to withstand regular use and provide reliable performance. The welder's design is user-friendly with an intuitive control panel and comfortable grip. For those looking for a powerful and versatile stick welder, the YESWELDER 205 amp offers great value and performance. Number 7. GUOZHI Stick Welder Mini Portable. The GUOZHI Stick Welder Mini Portable is an excellent choice for beginners who need a compact and portable welding solution. With its mini design and 120 output, this stick welder is perfect for small to medium welding projects. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to transport and use in various locations. Despite its small size, the GUOZHI Stick Welder delivers impressive performance. It features adjustable welding current settings, allowing users to fine-tune the weld according to their project needs. The welder also includes an arc force control, which helps to maintain a stable arc and reduce electrode sticking. The build quality of the GUOZHI Stick Welder is durable, ensuring that it can handle regular use without issues. Its compact design does not compromise on performance, making it a reliable tool for beginners. For those who need a portable and effective stick welder, the GUOZHI model offers excellent performance in a compact package. And there you have it, our top 7 welders for beginners. Whether you're starting with plastic welding or stick welding, each of these models offers unique features and excellent performance to suit your needs. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on each product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and guides. Happy welding!